Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Nurain Tahir and I'm from class B. So in this video I will make the final project of prose. So check it out. Psychological analysis of literature on the short story Mas Gincu by Muhammad Nasir. In the short story Mas Gincu by Muhammad Nasir, there is a character Lia. Lia is the main character in the story. The story begins with the life of the character Lia, who lives independently without any attention from her parents. Since childhood, Lia was classified as a quiet child. Her innocence in childhood led Lia to become an independent and obedient child. She could only accept the circumstances she received. Lack of attention from parents, coupled with the nature of Lia's father, who is often angry, makes a quiet and weak figure. It is proven in the following quote. He also pulled the mask that Lia was wearing. The rubber is broken, the mask is torn. But kids only surprise parents. Here, buy me a cigarette. Lia's cruel father made Lia even quieter and feel always restrained. Over time, Lia grew into an adult, and this also brings up another trait of Lia, which is getting to know the opposite sex. She has a friend. However, their relationship actually leads to negative things. Their relationship is too far away. In third grade, he began to recognize the feeling of liking the opposite sex. Luckily, Sang Gandhi apparently also glanced at the guy, so they often study together. If there is homework, always done together. If it's not at his house, it's at Gandhi boarding house. The quote above shows the relationship between Lia and her lover was the beginning of Lia's behavior until she fell into promiscuity. Lia's nature, which is tired or her parents' restraints and lack of attention from her parents, makes Lia want to get rid of all that. Lia wants to be free and enjoy a free life. After graduate from high school, Lia worked at a handphone counter with a salary that was currently not much. In the midst of his busy schedule, he got acquainted with one of his customers where he works. Lia was acquainted with a civil servant Imam named. Even to the point of shopping work, Lia also did not do this to her parents, only in her own room. Lia sometimes cries. He is still thinking of prostrating himself at the feet of his parents. They prostrate in prayer, asking for forgiveness in front of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. But I don't know when. Even so, he's still good at reciting the Quran and fluent in prayer readings, and memorize the way to his house from the quiet above. It is clear that in the heart of the main character, Lia is really regret what she has done so far, and she wants to return to right path. After analyzing the psychological elements contained in the short story Mas Gincu by Muhammad Nasir, it can be concluded that an analysis of literary works is very important to know the meaning of a field of approach, especially in terms of the psychology of the characters involved in the story. This is done in order to find out more clearly what is being experienced by the characters in the analyzed story, as well as what the problem or solution looks like. The short story Mas Gincu by Muhammad Nasir is based on a personal conflict experienced by the main character Lian, where she feels constrained. Lia wants to enjoy freedom in life, which in the end plunges her into free association. It can be said that Lia character in the end becomes a night woman, or what is commonly called a night butterfly, whose life is very humiliated. Is it not appropriate for us to imitate? On the other hand, trying to avoid things kind of behavior in an effort that we have to work hard and principally. What has been experienced by the character Lia is due to the lack of attention and affection from her parents. But on the other hand, Lia actually wants to other things in her life. I think enough for me. Thank you for your watching my videos, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.